HMAC design objectives. Whenever you're designing the HMAC, you have to follow this some of the objectives given. The first one is called as to use without modification available hash function. In particular, hash function that perform well in software and for which the code is freely and widely available. Whenever you are creating any HMAC, you are using a hash function, and that hash function used never be modified. The algorithm which is used in the hash function should be compact. So that is means we used the hash function just like a black box. Black box means it's a module which take a input and produce a output without any modification of that module. We are not modifying that module. This point has some benefit. We can just use the hash function which can already defined, which is already written in the module or library function. The second point is here to allow for easily replaceability of the embedded hash function in case faster or more secure hash functions are found or required. This hash function which is added in the algorithm we treat like a one black box. I told it is easy to replace. If you found a new code which is more faster, if you found a hash function which is more faster, you just replace that old hash code with the new one without changing the HMAC. Algorithm of HMAC should be same, only you are changing the hash code algorithm here. It is, you just imagine you brought one desktop computer. In the desktop computers you already have a one sound card chip which is already inbuilt, which will give a pleasant sound music for you. Now in future you found that you need a high-end music or surround music type system which is not provided by your desktop computer. So you add additional sound card to your desktop computer and make that computer more music friendly. The old card is replaced with the new sound card which is better than the previous one. That can be done in computer in similar way. If you design HMAC algorithms, it should contain some hash functions which can be replaced in the future. The next point is here to preserve the original performance of the hash function without incurring a significant degradation. The meaning is very simple here. Whenever you design any HMAC algorithm, performance of this HMAC algorithm should be very nearer to your hash function. It never degrades the performance. HMAC design should be very faster. To use and handle keys in a simple way. Whenever you give any key to the HMAC algorithm, it will handle that key in a simple way. The code should be very simple. Last one is to have well understood cryptographic analysis of the strength of the authentication mechanism based on reasonable assumptions on the embedded hash function. In simple word, the last point indicates here, even though the algorithm is very simple, it is very hard to break the code. That means to finding the key or the cryptanalysis is very difficult. The algorithm is in such a way that the cryptanalysis done on this will be very difficult for the opponent. He cannot identify the key. So that is the last point indicates.